శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 267th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Sriman Mahabharatam Adi Parvam 174th chapter, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Vishwamitra said to Vasishta Maharshi like this, O Brahmarshi, showing our valor is our dharma. So by showing my strength and power, I am going to forcibly take your cow while you are watching. Like that, when Vishwamitra said, Vasishta Maharshi saying, O Vishwamitra, yes, as you said, you are Kshatriya, you have so much of strength, and also you have so much of army with you. Now, whatever you want, you can do. You don't even have to hesitate. Like that, when Vasishta said, immediately that Vishwamitra started beating the cow Nandini and trying to forcibly take that Nandini away. Then Nandini came and stood right in front of Vasishta Maharshi. And that Nandini is not at all moving even after so much that Vishwamitra is beating that Nandini. Then Vasishta Maharshi saying to Nandini, O Nandini, Shrunomi te ravam bhadre vinadantya punah punaha. I am hearing your screamings, but what can I do? Because I am a Brahmana, I should have enough endurance. That is why I cannot do anything. Like that, when Vasishta Maharshi said, Nandini saying like this, O Swami, Vishwamitra and Vishwamitra's army beating me so much. I am screaming. I am feeling that I have no protection. Why are you waiting? What are you doing? Like that, when Nandini said, Vasishta Maharshi did not even shake. Again he is saying that, O Nandini, Kshatriyas have so much of strength. Brahmana's strength is their endurance. Now the patience, endurance, forgiveness is with me. I cannot do anything. If you want to go along with Vishwamitra, you can go. Then Nandini said, O Swami, did you give up me? Why are you saying like this? O Brahmarshi, if you did not give up me, nobody can move me from here. Like that Nandini said. Then Vasishta Maharshi says, Natvam tyajami kalyani sthiyatam yadi sakyate. No, Nandini, I did not give up you. If you have enough power and strength, yes, you stay here. You don't have to go. Like that, when Vasishta Maharshi said, the moment Vasishta said that if you are enough powerful, stay here, with that word, Nandini immediately urdhvanchita sirogriva prabhabhau raudradarsana. Immediately that Nandini cow lifted her head upwards and with so much of anger started screaming at the entire army. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Shriman Narayana. Jai Shriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.